Ba sa mga estudyante nahihirapan about English grammar? If oo, para sa'yo ang video na to. But if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka once na nag-upload ako ng bagong videos. Without further ado, let's get started. First is has and have. Kapag sinabi nating has and have, it shows ownership or possession. Usually, lagi siyang nasa present tense or yung kasulukuyang nangyayari. Okay? Let us differ first, has from have. First is has. Kapag sinabi nating has, it is usually happen in present tense. Ibig sabihin kasalukuyang nangyayari pero in a singular form. Ibig sabihin ng singular, isa lamang. Usually, ang ginagamit ditong subjects ay she, he, it. It's either name of the person or title of the books or anything that only shows single or singular subject. I have here an example. Luke has many friends. From the given sentence, Luke has many friends. Luke is our subject. Then our verb is has. Meaning, isa lamang si Luke. Meron siyang maraming kaibigan. Okay? Next example. She has a long hair. Ibig sabihin, siya, isa lamang siya. And our verb here is has. It is a singular verb. Okay? She has a long hair. Ibig sabihin, singular ang subject mo. That's why ang gagamitin nating verb is has, which is also a singular form. Okay? Okay, next I have. Kapag sinabi nating have, it is usually happens in present tense pero in plural forms. Unlike has, siya ay present tense din pero nangyayari siya in singular forms. Ang have, counterpart niya, singular, ang has, and ang plural is have. Okay, usually ang ginagamit niya ay we, they, you, and I. Yun yung mga usualing subjects na kalimitan ginagamit kapag ang iyong verb ay plural. Okay? I have here an example. We have meeting today. Ibig sabihin, ang ating subject dito is we, kami. Ibig sabihin, marami kami. Ang ating verb is have, which is also plural form. Okay, meron kaming meeting ngayon. Ibig sabihin, marami kaming nasa meeting ngayon. Okay? Another example. The men have fishing net. From the given example, what is our subject? Our subject is men and our verb is have. Bakit siya naging men? Kasi ang plural form ng man ay men. Ibig sabihin, ang word man is a singular form and ang plural form niya is men. Ibig sabihin, maraming kalalakihan yon. Meron siyang fishing net. Okay? Did you get it? Okay, ngayon naman ay proceed tayo sa had. Kapag sinabing had, it is happened in the past or it is in past tense. Ibig sabihin, nangyari na siya noon. Ang usually dito, ang forms niya ay it's either singular or plural. Basta kahit siya ay singular or plural, basta nangyari siya sa past, ay had ang ating gagamitin. I have here an example. We had a storm yesterday. From my given example, our subject is we, kami. Ang ating verb ay had kasi yung bagyo ay nangyari kahapon. Ibig sabihin, yung events ay happen in the past. We had storm yesterday. Okay? Next, another example. Sam Some had fun at the party last night. From our given example, our subject is some, which is singular, pero gumamit pa rin tayo ng plural, ng past tense na verb, which is had, kasi nangyari na yung event last night. Ibig sabihin, nangyari na siya in the past. Okay? To give you the summary, para mas madali nyong maintindihan ang use of has, have, and had in a sentence, narito yung mga dapat yung tandaan. Kapag sinabing has, usually present tense siya, parehas siya ng have. They are both used in present tense. Pero kapag has, singular form, pag have, plural form. Okay? And has, singular, present tense, have, plural, present tense also. And kapag sinabi naman nating had, siya ay it's either singular or plural, pero past tense. Okay? Past tense na siya. Ibig sabihin, nangyari na. Have a content suggestions, comment down below para i-prioritize natin siya for our next video. Thank you everyone. I forgot, if you are not yet subscribed in my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka once nag-upload ako ng bagong video. Okay? Thank you for watching. See you!